Guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get OPay Visual Card. Yes, so first thing you have to do is open up your OPay app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you're going to see below your screen cards. Click on cards. Once you click on cards, you're going to see physical card and visual card. So the physical card is actually the one where you use to withdraw or with your POS or ATM machine, right? Which you can physically touch and see. Then the visual card is the one where you use to actually pay for online merchants like Google Play, Netflix, Groovy, Shane, Jumai, and the rest of that. Then, how do you actually create a visual card? First of all, you're going to see Get It Now. You click on Get It Now, right? And you're going to see that you have to actually pay for it. Yes, you have to actually pay to get the card. Definitely, you should know that. You can see the fee and the charges for it, and there is no maintenance fee for that. It's actually just there. So once you've confirmed your account information and the fee, you click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, it's going to take you to your balance and you're just going to pay for it. Once you pay for it, you're going to actually see all the information you need to know about your visual card. And from there, you can start using your visual card to pay online. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.